there, and welcome to today's Cutting Up the Nature of Flowers Photo P on your iPhone tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make the electronic part of a hexiflexigon. You can see it's an arrangement of shapes within these triangles which will ultimately fold together to make the hexagon, which will then flex about to create the magical illusion piece of cardboard animation-y real-life thing, hexiflexigon. So to do this we need 3 photographs of different flowers. Okay, I'll show you what we're going to do with them in this layered image. So you need several layers. If I take it all the way back so that you can see what happens at the beginning, we need to have a picture of a flower on one layer, a picture of another flower on another layer, and a picture of another flower, in this case a dandelion, on another layer. Okay, pretty straightforward. 3 layers, 3 pictures of flowers. We also need an arrangement of triangles that we draw with the tool to draw shapes down here. So we go onto the shape tool and we draw the triangles. Okay, I'll show you how to do that in case you don't know. Make sure the shape we've got is the right shape. Over here it will tell you how many sides it's got. So we've got 3 sides, and we want to make sure, I'll do a little red one just to show what I mean. We draw a little triangle. We can have it filled or not filled, doesn't really matter, and then we just arrange it where we want it on our thing. Okay, so we're just going to get rid of that. So here's what I've made earlier. I've got all the shapes where I want them, and then what I need to do is get my first flower, which is the dandelion, arrange it where I want it, then use the magic wand tool, select the little areas of the triangles on this layer, and then I need to copy and paste it so that it creates a layer that looks like this. And you can see there I've got just the bits of the dandelion that were inside the 6 triangles. I need to leave that one there because that's where I need to place that one. I use the same process, so I open the picture of the flower. I use the magic wand tool to click on all the pieces, which will then ultimately, I'll close that and open one here, give you the pieces of the flower, like so. Okay, does that make sense? Hopefully it should be quite straightforward. Copying and pasting is nice and easy. So once we've got that flower there, we need to copy that layer with that flower on it and paste it here. And we also need to paste it here. So you can see we've got next to each other, touching on the hexagons, the picture of the flower. Okay, I'm just going to deselect that a bit. Right, so then we need to get the dandelion and copy and paste that over here. So we've got the dandelion on top of the dahlia, repeated, and we do that on the other side, if I can make sure I find the right ones. So we've got it there, so it underlaps that one and overlaps that one, and you can see it's touching on all sides as well. Then we need the other shape, which is the daisy. So we do the same thing with the daisy. We open the daisy. I need to close the other layers to show you. We open the daisy, use the magic wand tool, click on all the bits, and then close it, open the daisy up. No, that's not the daisy, sorry. And open the daisy up. Is that the daisy? Yep. And open all the layers up in the right order. So you can see it will go, I've missed one out again. There we go. So you can see we've got dandelion, dahlia, daisy, dandelion, dahlia, daisy, dandelion, dahlia, daisy. So you can see there are 3 versions of each picture arranged in that exact order like so. So if you follow whatever pictures you're going to use in your hexiflexigon, arrange them in this way, cut out the triangles as such, then when you come to cut it all out and fold it up, you'll have all the pieces in exactly the right place for when you do the folds. Okay, hopefully you'll see and understand what I'm talking about. I will just open up a picture of the hexiflexigon so you can see what I'm talking about. And you can see that's what it looked like when it's cut up and folded up. Okay, have fun making your one. Watch the other video as well. There'll be a link in the description below. And if you enjoyed making a hexiflexigon, be sure to hit subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and good night. Bye.